that way.
A little tiny toilet, probably the smallest one here in Amsterdam. For sure, the highest one. But that you will find out when you're using it. And you all have earphones, you can plug it into the wall, find the language what's convenient to you. We have 19 languages. And if you really cannot find one, try NLD, you can practice. Dutch, good for your holiday. And if you want it louder, you can use the vertical buttons. And for the other rest, relax, enjoy.
Get these things to stay in at all. Oh, but
Alright, here we are on the Eastern Dock on Seaport of Amsterdam, and here on the left hand side in front of us we have the building with all the flags. In these days this was the shipping house, 9 shipping companies selling boats from there all over the world. Nowadays 5-star Amrad. Here on the square, spray painted and for sale. And that's what we call recycling.
oh, sounds like 10 hand, eh? By recycle.
But the problem with wood is it rots, and then the poles are rotten, the houses go leaning. Look here on the left hand side, from the corner to the right till the Irish pub. You see all the houses leaning. One to the left, one to the right. The other one to the left again. Like they're having a good party. The only thing that surprises me is the Irish pub is the only one who's telling straight. I don't know because of the rooster. What is River, only natural waterway in Amsterdam, because the canals are digged by hand in that side. And that's also where Amsterdam had its name from. Dry spot in the Amstel. In the old days we call it Amsterdam. Nowadays, Amsterdam. A very nice suite here. You pay about €2,000. And that's not including breakfast.
Not including what?
Breakfast.
Oh.
There's no that moment. 7 stoners, rich as you
Oh, dat weet ik nou mooi die bij voor vrij, maar nou.
7 stenen bovenruggetjes op een rij. Seppo. Was she about 8-9 million euros? So, not too many people living here. You find here banks, consulates, lawyers, liars, and some other criminals who come from. 1 meter of water, of course, otherwise we cannot sail here. And 1 meter, bicycles. Too many bicycles inside Amsterdam, but even more bicycles inside the city as people living. 50,000 people live in Amsterdam, and we have around 1.5 million bicycles. A lot of these bicycles end up in the canals. For different reasons, we have a special ship for it to dig them out again. They dig out about 20,000 bicycles each year.
Westerkirchen.